check and try to keep time with the Philippines, while Philippines leading with 12 points to 5. And once again, don't forget, channel 801, Astro Arena is showing live action on the pitch right here. Kick off by the Philippines. Number 3, tying up there, that is Subject. Sri Lanka is obviously showing some pace, moving very nicely, but I must say that the Filipinos are also doing pretty well in excellent work in tackling and keeping the movement of the Sri Lankas in check. Nicely done, very nicely done there by the Sri Lankans. Well, a beautiful 1 of 5 now on the ropes. Srina, zigzag, swirling around, and going to be definitely Srina down, and a try to Sri Lanka. Moving the score to 10 now, before the conversion. Number 5, yeah, Srina.
You're setting excellent work. Looking for the penetration, which they lacked in the first half. Yeah. Once you get to that advantage line, lots of good support. Trinat's terrific stepping under the posts. Good work.
And we had rain yesterday, so we thought the pitch would be a bit wet, but no rain today, so I think the pitch is holding up pretty well.
And it looks great. Terrific work done by the groundsman to get the pitch off.
And so now Sri Lanka has tied with Philippines on 12 points apiece. 12 points apiece. This is developing to a pretty good match on the pitch right now. With Sri Lanka kicking off again. Let's see how the Filipinos are going to respond. Score number 6 for Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka moves on to 17 now. Converted, and Sri Lanka moves on to 19. And a try by Sri Lanka. They're moving away with this match now. Number 5, I think Sri Lanka scoring. Another try for number one, Radhika scoring for Sri Lanka. Score now moving on to 24. Try converted. Just trying to confirm whether it was number 5 who scored the try for Sri Lanka. Conversion was done by number 6. Match between Sri Lanka and Philippines. Sri Lanka defeating Philippines by 26 to 12. By 26 to 12.